Hi-yo, had enough space for it. What's up? We are live.
Woo, we're live.
We're live. Or actually, let me grab my joint. Let's get this ready. I went to Old Faithful Jars last night, picked up a couple joints and some edibles, because I gotta hop on a plane right when I finish this, so.
Go hop on a plane.
Hopping on a plane, baby, heading to San Diego.
Good for you.
I'm
Good
going
for you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to work, but it's okay.
Yeah, I fucking drove to LA and back within 24 hours.
You drove?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, should have just flew. It's probably the same price.
Yeah, it was actually, it went by pretty fast. I didn't mind it at all.
That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll play a song.
Go Patriots. Woo!
Patriots!
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is November 2nd, 2021. And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We are bridging gaps, Davey, baby, between the cannabis, the comedy, the crypto, and that stonk game.
We like to start off every single episode by giving a huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. Thank you very much for getting this high every single day where we trade the stock market / crypto market. Go check them out in Mesa in Flagstaff, Arizona. Brian, who else you got?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. Works with TradingView.com, and it sends very clear buy and short signals, giving you confidence to make good trades, unlike Dave, who always jumps in at the high. Check out the link in the description. If you use it and sign up for the Algo, you support the show. They give us some money, so please do that. We love you.
Yep. Always buying at a high. I don't think anything will ever fucking change.
Nope.
Nope, won't change.
It's been years. Years, baby.
At least, yeah, almost 2 years. Pushing 2 years now. So how was your weekend?
It was good. Yeah, went to a wedding. Fucking been playing the Instagram game aggressively. I have to pretend like it's fun, because if I don't act like it's a game, then I'll go insane.
Yeah, it kind of sucks, doesn't it?
Yeah, but, you know,
Fucking off.
fun news, you know, I spent like a lot of time over the weekend just basically like following a fuck ton of people on this festival account. I looked at the submissions today, did get 3 brand new submissions since the festival opened. It's our first submissions in like 5 months. So, yeah. We like so the the Instagram's actually working, which is good. People are starting to submit to it. I made $150 because of the 20 hours that I spent fucking doing Instagram. So whatever.
For you, bud. Yep, it's all about social media.
Yep.
So get fucking used to it, bud.
Yep.
Yep. One thing on mine, we have Cannabis. If you're in Arizona, Phoenix area, that we are going to be at Golfland Sunsplash November 14th.
Dang.
Riding fucking attractions. Go get your tickets. TrapUltraZ.com.
Hell yeah. How was your weekend, Davey?
Fucking, we drove to LA, saw the Patriots win, and came back the next day, which was so funny. I didn't know anybody was there. I didn't reach out, but then I had multiple couples hit me up. We're like, hey, we were right next to you.
We were right next to you?
Yeah, they had tickets that were very, very fucking close to where I was sitting. Had no idea.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. It's just a small fucking world. Just a small, small world. But so I have a hard out at 10 o'clock too, so we got to get this show on the fucking road.
All right.
As you know that we weren't here yesterday, so we fully apologize for that. Are we going to be here for the rest of the week?
We'll be back on Friday. I come back Thursday night, so I can do Friday morning.
All right, cool. So we got a Friday show. So today and Friday. So we are going to jam-pack some fucking doc news for you.
Jam-pack it, baby.
Jam-pack it. Let's just go right to the DNB 200. If you go to the top earners today, you see UAA, which is Under Armour. Doing fucking well. They raised the price target for it. So apparently Wedbush raises Under Armour's price target to $33 from $26 as it keeps outperforming. So
Nice.
Trading at 25.31. That's a nice push this morning.
Fucking Under Armour, dude. I mean, like, I've owned one actual Under Armour brand shirt. It was a hand-me-down. It was dope, you know? But then, like, you go to buy this shit, and it's like, yo, Under Armour, can you do, like, a budget version? It's so fucking expensive.
Yeah, I agree. The logo's not the fucking most appealing. I think it kind of like a bad rap. But the product itself is very good.
Yeah.
Also, besides Under Armour, we just have some Bitcoins, Bitfarm and then Mara, along with Riot. Anything, and Bitcoin. What am I fucking talking about? So anything to do with Bitcoin today, you're having a great Tuesday.
Yep. Absolutely.
Let's check the negative real quick. We just have the SLGG, which was the Super League gaming. Remember that?
Yep.
Another fucking esports. Not doing well.
Nope.
Esports not hot right now. Not hot.
Hey, can I actually, I just swapped over to the change by negative percentage. I did want to shout this out. We can erase TDAC, the SPAC that your boy bought into months ago, because it is now LTRY. The lottery change finally happened.
Well, how many shares do you have? I'm super jealous.
I have 30.
Wow.
I've been down I bought it at like the highest it's ever been. I pulled a Dave. I've been down for a while, and now I'm down like $30 because I think my shares are like $15.69 or something like that, and it's trading at $15. We are going to add lottery.com to the watch list. Lottery.com is down today, of course it is.
Yeah, it might drop a little more, bud.
It's okay. I feel good about it. I think it's one of the ones that once it actually starts getting some attention, we'll see some change in it. It's the fucking lottery. You know what I mean? Like, it's massive. It's the lottery.
What is better than fucking gambling on a lottery.com stock?
I mean, that's like double gambling.
Yep. Other than that, the only thing that's really worth talking about was Lucid. Lucid was kind of slipping since the great week of last week. LCID is the ticker. ID.
Yeah, that's to be expected. I mean, it pushed so hard. It went from 26 to fucking 40 almost in the matter of a couple days. So it's got to cool off.
It's I have it on the 1 hour chart. It definitely cooled off. So it already hit the bottom point from the end of October the 28th, 4 days ago. So it looks like this right now could possibly be the bottom, but TradingView is not telling me that. The cheat code algo.
What in fuck's name are you talking about? This is the bottom. It's on a loop. It's on a fucking hump. It was $16 like 2 weeks ago. What bottom are you talking about?
I'm going back to what it was on the 28th. It's consolidating on that. There was like the last kind of like big drop to where it's at. It would have to fall all the way fucking back down.
Oh man, buy puts. What are $28 puts looking like while we have time here?
Okay, $28. All right, so you think it's still gonna you think it's gonna fucking fall?
Yes. You know why? No, I don't think it's gonna free fall. I think it's gonna. It pumped because they were releasing the cars, but like they still have a long way to go. Like those are just pre-orders.
Yeah, I know, but it hit 42. It's at 33 right now, so it did cool off a lot. It cooled off like $15 billion. So you think it's gonna fucking go even more? Okay.
Let's see. November.
I'm scrolling back.
November 6th, $26 puts are 51 cents. I meant November 19 rather.
I think it's gonna go the other way. It's gaining a little bit of momentum going upwards. I'm going back to the nice run from February. Yeah, it did drop back down, consolidated. Now it's starting to go back up. Or do you think it's going to fall back to like $24? Oh, $28.
Yeah, maybe even more.
Well, all right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like that. I wouldn't buy it. I think it's. Well, yeah, what the fuck do I know? I don't know. Don't like it. Not me.
Okay.
All right. As we're still talking about Lucid electric vehicles, which we have been talking about this one for fucking so long, and a couple weeks ago, you did ask if this was already publicly traded.
Yep.
And we told you not yet.
So
this one, going into the SPAC IPO merger funding news, only one of the day. Electric vehicle maker Rivian seeks to raise $8.4 billion in IPO.
Nice.
Woo! Yes, very, very nice. The company, which is backed by Amazon, said in its filing that it plans to offer 135 million shares at a price between 57 and 62. That's debatable. Underwriters also have an option to buy up to 20.25 million additional shares. If underwriters exercise that option, Rivian would raise as much as 9.6 billion. Based on the number of outstanding shares, that would put its market valuation at $53 billion. If employee stock options and other restricted shares are considered, Rivian's valuation could be as high as $60 billion. Fucking A, man.
Wow.
One last part real quick. Rivian's filing was been one of the most anticipated of the year, and now attention has turned to its public debut on the NASDAQ exchange. Rivian will trade under the ticker RIVN.
Not happening yet, though.
Not in yet.
And definitely not RIVB. That is nothing. Yeah. Okay.
Crazy, huh?
That is pretty crazy.
All right. So, is it interesting that they're going to drop right now? EV Run has not fucking came back yet. Is this the start of it?
This is Amazon EV, so could be.
Yeah. Well, that means Lucid's going to go out. Lucid's not going to go down if we're going to base everything off news and.
Yeah, we can't base everything off of it. It'd be the fucking smaller one. I don't know. We'll see. I bought a Lucid put, $5. We'll see.
You did? You bought one.
$5. Lottery ticket.
So what exactly did you buy?
$25 put for this week.
This week?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
$5 lottery ticket. The lottery.com just went through. I'm looking to buy lotto tickets.
Do you know what I fucking did yesterday real quick? I bought another, I was gambling on the football game last night. And I ended up losing the bet, but I could have cashed out with 200% increase. Should have done that. Didn't do it. And then I ended up losing it.
Bummer.
Yeah, so I need to start doing that with fucking sports. It's okay, just cash up. You can make a little bit of money, just fucking cash up.
It's better to make a little bit of money than lose everything.
Yep. So learned that again last night. With the sports, maybe I should cash out more.
All right.
Brian, what do we got for stock news, baby?
Great news for me. I don't travel American. More travel chaos for American Airlines as over 300 flights canceled on Monday. Monday's yesterday.
Nice.
The airline has now canceled more than 2,000 flights since Friday, citing bad weather and staffing shortages. Mostly that second one. That's the real issue, is that they're fucking booking these flights and nobody's there to actually fly them.
All right, so it's officially trading under $20.
This, probably could be a decent time to... American Airlines doesn't like to stable on 20 long. It usually pops up after. So, I don't know. Could be a good, decent time to buy. Could go down a little bit more. We'll see.
Yeah, so right now market cap is at $12.8 billion, trading at $19.80. Pretty much at 0% today, not going up nor down from all this fucking bad publicity. I don't know. Yeah, like you kind of said before, it is pretty low. If you do buy some calls maybe a couple of months out, might not be fucking a bad idea. Especially with the holidays coming up, people are going to be flying all over the fucking place.
Yep. Without a doubt.
Yep. All right, next one. Going back, still staying on the travel budget. Avis budget, which I had no idea fucking traded. It's the ticket.
Get your phone off. Can you please get your phone off the thing? All I can hear is the vibrate. It's driving me crazy.
CAR. Type in CAR for the ticker. Avis budget. So Avis budget stock is soaring thanks to the rental car boom. New York CNN business. Hertz has made a lot of headlines lately thanks to its deals with Tesla and Uber, which we have something to talk about that in a little bit. Wall Street has noticed too, but rival rental company Avis Budget is doing even better. Shares of Avis Budget, CAR, have surged more than 110% in July and are up almost 380% so far in 2021. The company reported its third quarter results after the closing bell Monday. Needless to say, expectations were high and Avis Budget surpassed them. Sales nearly doubled from a year ago and net income skyrocketed to 1,400%, easily topping forecast and hitting a new record.
Yeah, dude, This is, Avis has pretty much just been, it's like a decent pretty good hold. Like, it's just been steadily up, you know, but I mean, like, man, you're feeling good if you've been holding it at all. It fucking just doubled overnight. It was it was $175 yesterday.
Bro, all right, so at the beginning of this year, bro, you're talking like $30.
Yeah.
$30 at the January 4th.
I mean, COVID times it was fucking $6.
Oh my god, and it did hit a high of $540.
That's crazy.
God, you would be fucking happy if you bought 1,000 shares. Oh, Jesus.
It's This jump was so big that it fucked my graph. I had to keep zooming in and out for it to like actually get right.
But it came right back down. That's terrifying. I can only imagine buying this over $500.
Well, if you bought it at $500, you're an idiot. If you bought it at any other time, you're feeling great. It's at $338.
Yeah. So good for you, Avis. We should have fucking looked at that. We should have known that. We heard the fucking the Hertz news. We should have known its fucking competitor.
Yep.
Yep. Should have fucking known.
Sure.
Keep going with this little Hertz news real quick.
Okay. Musk says Hertz deal isn't signed and questions Tesla rally after the announcement. Dude, Elon Musk is such a I mean, this is ridiculous. Tesla's at 1164. But like, I don't know. He just constantly is just like, I don't know why people value my company so much. And then people are like, fuck you, I'm buying more. Like that, he's got like such a perfect strategy down. Anyway, we talked about this a few days ago. A deal for Hertz to buy 100,000 Tesla vehicles isn't signed yet, CEO Elon Musk tweeted as he questioned the stock market rally for the electric vehicle maker that has ensued. Tesla has surged past $1 trillion in market cap since the October 25 announcement that Hertz will buy Model 3 vehicles and also install thousands of electric vehicle chargers. Quote, if any of this is based on Hertz, I'd like to emphasize that no contract has been signed yet, end quote, Musk tweeted in response to a chart of the stock price from the widely followed Tesla Silicon Valley Club account. Quote, Tesla has far more demand than production, therefore we will only sell cars to Hertz for the same margin as to consumers, end quote, added Musk, who, according to Bloomberg, this article ends. Dave, again, didn't copy and paste the entire paragraph. What? I can't hear you.
Can't hear me?
No. Okay, there you are. You're good now.
I was wooing.
Yeah, I didn't hear the woo at all. Yeah, so Tesla's up even after this. What about Hertz? HRTZ? No.
No, so right now Tesla's down 4% and Hertz is up 6%.
Yeah, Hertz is at 36. But I mean Tesla's down 4% since yesterday. Okay, but it's still at 1164. The last time I looked at it, it was at fucking like just about $1,000. It's up $130 since then.
You know, Tesla is really looking like a fucking short bet. We had somebody in our Discord, Eric, that made some money off of Tesla calls. So we should imagine if you were just playing Tesla options, same day fucking options.
Yeah, if you got that kind of money to gamble with.
Crazy fucking shit. All right, so the last little bit of stock news before we get into the crypto news. This one's kind of like a COVID related. Moderna. So Moderna came out. Dives as FDA delays COVID vaccine in teens to investigate rare side effect. Not fucking good.
Ooh.
So if you just want to type in mRNA.
It's already up.
mRNA. How is it looking today? It's up. It's up.
Yeah, I mean it dropped since August, I guess, or September,
Yeah.
but it's pushing.
So apparently, Moderna stock toppled Monday after the Food and Drug Administration delayed authorizations of its COVID vaccine in teens, citing the risk of myocarditis. Sounds terrifying. Myocarditis is a form of heart inflammation that it has occurred following the second dose of Moderna's mRNA and Pfizer's PFE COVID vaccines. The condition has occurred primarily in boys and young men. Moderna is currently seeking authorization of its COVID vaccine in teens from 12 to 17, blah, blah, blah. The news comes a few days after the FDA authorized the COVID vaccine from Pfizer and Biotech, BNTX. I can't fucking talk today. In children's aged 5 to 11. Both Pfizer and Moderna shots belong to the messenger RNA class of the vaccines. These vaccines hijack the body's method of making proteins to spark immune response. Both are also tied to the risk of myocarditis. So, I don't know if anything else fell, but I felt like that was kind of something to talk about.
Yeah, don't get vaccinated if it's going to inflame my heart. I'm good on that. Yeah.
Kind of fucking crazy.
But I mean, they're down, I guess. But Moderna and Biotech, BNTX, they look very similar, and they're doing all right now. They're definitely showing some resilience.
All right, what do we got for crypto news, baby?
Crypto news. Sent this article to Dave the other day, and then pretty much just as soon as I'm talking about it, the fucking rug pull happens. Let's pull this bad boy up. Hang on a second. Squid Game-based cryptocurrency collapses in $3 million scam. So if you didn't know, there's a Squid Game cryptocurrency going around that pretty much everybody said was a scam. It was pretty obvious it was going to be a scam, but people still bought it. So let's hear about it. A cryptocurrency inspired by the hugely popular South Korean Netflix, which trades under NFLX, series Squid Game, has turned out to be a scam, with its developers reportedly making off with around $3.4 million. Ooh, excuse me. The currency, called Squid, marketed itself as a play-to-earn cryptocurrency where people can earn more tokens in online games, which can be exchanged for other cryptocurrencies or national currencies. Squid launched in late October and saw its price surge in the last few days. It went from 1 cent to as high as around $2,800 before plunging to $0 on Monday. Its website disappeared, along with every other social media presence, and its Twitter account, which had gained 57,000 followers, was blocked due to unusual activity. Bunch of red flags about this beforehand that wasn't included in the bullet points, but I read about it. You were able to buy but not sell Squid Game crypto. If you're going to invest in anything, and you're not allowed to sell it, then you should not be giving them your money, because then you're just giving them your money. You know?
Wow.
Yep. Also, you need to do your research. Like, if you went on CoinMarketCap, there were warnings saying that this thing was probably a scam, and then it ended up being a scam. So,
Wow.
yeah, you just need to do your due diligence. If something pops up overnight and looks too good to be true, it's because it is. Don't give them your fucking money.
Oh, that's so unfortunate. I can only imagine. Fucking imagine. All right, and the last one of the day. Coinbase to acquire India's Agara for over $40 million. Coinbase is acquiring the startup, which operates an AI-powered customer support platform, the two said Tuesday. As the cryptocurrency exchange looked to make it easier for the users to join the service and seek assistance. About time, right, Brian?
Yes.
The firms didn't share the financial details of the acquisition, but the size of the deal is between $40 million and $50 million. Two people familiar with the matter told me. A Coinbase spokesperson declined to comment.
That's not even that much money.
No, it's really not. But
No.
they fucking need it hard.
Yeah. I don't know if you have any experience with, like, AI-powered customer support, but I've been dealing with a lot lately. TaskRabbit uses it. It's honestly better than what they used to have, which was nothing. You know? It, like, starts with a computer that can basically answer most of your questions, but then if you really need to talk to somebody, it sends you over to somebody. So I've got no problem with the AI-based customer support. It's again, it's better than shit.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Right. Besides that put that you bought today, did you make any other plays that's worth bringing up?
Yeah, I mean, I put in for NerdWallet is IPOing on Thursday, I believe. I brought that up yesterday.
Okay.
I initially put in for $5. It's an expected range of $17 to $19. I'll pull up NerdWallet real quick if people don't know what it is, but
Yeah, talk about it real quick.
it's a great. I've actually used it a lot. It's an online like personal finance website, and it's got articles on like credit cards. You know, they've literally reviewed every fucking credit card that's ever existed. It's like, if you have bad credit here, you should use these. If you want to get airplane miles, you should use these. Gives you tips on investing. It talks about travel, banking. It's got a whole bunch of shit.
Wow.
And yeah, I mean, it's really fantastic. And yeah, so they're expected to IPO between $17 and $19. I originally had 5 in at that range. I put up to $20. I dropped it down to 2 because I was like, I don't want to put $100 into it. And if you buy the IPO, you can't trade it for 30 days or else you get locked out of buying IPOs in the future. So, yeah, I'm going to see if I can get a couple of shares. I think this could be pretty decent. I like the website. I've used it a lot. I'm pretty familiar with it. So, yeah.
Cool. All right, so that's what we got for the stock news today. We had a little bit. Hopefully it blew your mind just a wee bit. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment on the video and the Discord. We are just some stoners sending gifts, making money, baby. So come be a part of it. And then next Sunday, November 14th, Cannabis right here in Mesa, Arizona. We are throwing a cannabis event at an amusement park. It's going to be fucking wild. Tickets at trapcultureaz.com, and we will see you there. Brian, do you have anything to leave it?
Cactus Comedy Classic. If you're listening to this and happen to be a comedian, follow the Instagram page. Fucking submit to my comedy festival, please. That's it.
All right. We love you, everybody. We will see you on Friday.
Peace out, homies. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. Bam.
All right. You're gonna make a bunch of fucking phone calls.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track.